Welcome in this lesson. This is a lesson where we're going to learn together common greetings and introductions that we use in our daily life. Muri iri somo tugiye kuba twakwigana insuzanyo zisanzwe ndetse n'uburyo ushobora kuba wabwira umuntu mu buzima busanzwe bwa buri munsi. So why greetings and introductions matter? Kubera iki insuzanyo ndetse no kwibwira abantu ari ingenzi cyane. Greetings are the door to every conversation. If you greet collectively, people feel respected. Insuhuzanyo ni urugi rwiza cyane umuryango mwiza wo kuba watangiza ikiganiro. Iyo ushuhuje umuntu neza, ibyo bituma abantu bumva bubashywe. Introductions help people know who you are and create trust. Kwibwira abantu bituma abantu bamenya uwo uri we ndetse bigatuma haba icyizere. In English, greetings change depending on time of day and level of formality. Cyongereza, insuhuzanyo zihinduka bitewe n'igihe mu munsi cyangwa se bitewe n'urwego ushaka kubahamo umuntu. In Kinyarwanda, you might say bitese. Mu Kinyarwanda ushobora kuvuga ngo bitese, muraho, all, amakuru yawe, depending on the situation. English has similar differences. Cyongereza nacyo gifite insuhuzanyo zitandukanye nk'uko mu Kinyarwanda naho tuba tuzifite. So greetings in English, some of them that we have formal greetings. Mu nsuhuzanyo mu Cyongereza tugiramo izo twita formal greetings. Ahangaha dushobora kuzikoresha uri abarimu, abantu mutaziranye, abo mukorana ku kazi cyangwa se mu buryo bwo kubaha umuntu, official settings. Nibwo buryo ushobora kuba wakoresha izo twita formal greetings. The first greeting is good morning. Good morning. Good morning ni insuhuzanyo ya mbere tubonye. Good morning ikoreshwa kuva nka saa kumi n'imwe za mu gitondo kugeza saa sita z'amanywa. Good morning sir. How are you today? Urwo ni urugero. Good morning sir. How are you today? Mwaramutse nyakubahwa. Mumeze mute uyu munsi? Okay. Tukagira iyindi nsuhuzanyo bita good afternoon. Good afternoon ikoreshwa kuva saa sita z'amanywa kugeza saa kumi n'ebyiri z'umugoroba. Ahangaha niho ushobora kuba wasuhuza umuntu, ukaba wasuhuza nka class kuvuga good afternoon class, cyangwa se ukaba wasuhuza nk'umuntu muhuye ukaba wambwira good afternoon Isaac. That's example. Welcome to today's lesson. Welcome to today's lesson. Iyi ni insuhuzanyo dufite ni good evening. Good evening ihera saa kumi n'ebyiri z'umugoroba ikageza saa tatu z'ijoro. Example, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Okay, angaha ni mu gihe uri gusuhuza abantu ugati umugoroba mwiza abahungu n'abakobwa. Hello, how are you? Iyi ni insuhuzanyo tugira ni hello, how are you? Hello ivuga muraho, mumeze mute, muraho, amakuru. Byose ubivuze gutyo byose nta kibazo birakunda, biravugwa. Hello, how are you this morning? Muraho, mwaramutse mute mu gitondo. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Nayo ni insuhuzanyo iri formal ushobora kuhakoresha usuhuza umuntu. Example dufite ahangaha, good afternoon. It's nice to meet you Mr. Paul. Mwiriwe neza, ni byiza guhura nawe Paul. Iyo ni insuhuzanyo ushobora kuhakoresha. Noneho ahangaha reka akangaka ni nka tip ugomba kumenya nuko good night ishobora gukoreshwa, ishobora kubarwa mu nsuhuzanyo ariko ntabwo ikoreshwa. Good night ntabwo ari insuhuzanyo nubwo abantu bajya bayibarira nko mu nsuhuzanyo. Good night ikoreshwa gusa iyo uri gusezera umuntu mu masaha ya nimugoroba cyangwa se uri kujya ku buriri ubwira abantu nibwo ushobora kubabwira good night, ariko ntabwo ari insuhuzanyo. Let us continue. So we have also those greetings that we call informal or casual greetings. These greetings are used when you are greeting a friend, when you are greeting a family or young people. Izi ni insuhuzanyo ushobora gukoreshwa uri gusuhuza inshuti zawe, abagize umuryango wawe cyangwa se abantu bakiri batoya. When uri mukuru you are greeting someone who is younger, you can use these greetings. Urugero dufite hi. Hi ni kimwe na hello ivuga nayo muraho. Tukagira hey. Hey ni bite. Tukagira WhatsApp. WhatsApp iyi ni slang ikunda gukoreshwa n'abanyamerika. Ni nko kubaza umuntu ngo bimeze bite, nko kubaza umuntu ni iki jya mbere. what's up, cyangwa se ukaba wavuga sup nabyo birakunda, iyo slang igakoreshwa igihe bayigusuhurishije. You have to know what does it mean. Ushobora gusubiza uti nothing much. Kuri izo zindi nababwiye usubiza n'ubundi uko bagushuhuje, niko usubiza, yaba good morning usubiza good morning, good afternoon good evening usubiza good evening. Kuri hello usubiza hello, right? Hara twabonye it's nice to meet you, nabwo usubiza it's nice to meet you. No, kuri izi ngizi za casual greetings, when somebody greets you with hi, umusubiza hi. Yagusuhuza hey, ukamusubiza hey. Bite ni uko nguko dukoresha mu Cyongereza. Ugomba kumva yuko hey ivuga nkaho ari bite ugiye gusuhuza nk'umuntu, ariko no mu gusubiza also we use this hey. Tukagira this WhatsApp nari maze kubabwira, ndetse tukagira how is it going, bimeze bite, biragenda, how is it going. Kawasubiza uti it is going well, it's going well, it's going fine, it's going excellent. Hari ibisubizo byinshi ushobora kuhasubiza, it's going great, byose wabisubiza. Hakaba naho ushobora kuzasanga ku bantu bakiri bato cyane, ushobora gusanga nabwo mu Cyongereza naho bibamo, aho ushobora gusanga basuhuzanya mu buryo bwa yo, ariko this is very informal, biri mu buryo buri informal cyane, ariko iyi ngiyi nayo ibaho, aho ushobora gusanga umuntu asuhuje undi ngo yo. That happens. Example hano dufite kuri izi casual greetings. We have some casual greetings which are hi Melly, how's it going? So urayibona iyi ngiyi ni insuzanyo ushobora kuba wakoresha usuhuza umuntu ariko iri informal, iri mu buryo buri informal. Hey John, what's up? Hanga uranabwo ushobora kuba wasuhuza umuntu mu rw'icyongereza ukoresheje no what's up. Okay, nuko nguko zibasha kuba rero zakoreshwa, ariko ntabwo ari zonyine tugiramo izo twita nka how are you doing, how are you doing, nayo ushobora kuyikoresha no kubaza ngo how are you doing, uzamenye ko wakubajije uko umeze, ushobora kumusubiza I'm doing great cyangwa I'm doing fine. Aho bitandukaniye, hari abantu bajya bakunda kubyitiranya no kuko baba bakubajije ngo uri gukora iki. Iyo bakubajije ngo uri gukora iki barakubaza ngo what are you doing, not how are you doing. Ntabwo bakubaza ngo how are you doing. How are you doing bakubajije amakuru, bakubaza ngo what are you doing, akaba ariko bakubajije icyo uri gukora. Ahangaha rero hari insuzanyo zibaho, noneho reka tugendere ku muco w'abantu mu buryo bugiye butandukanye. In Kinyarwanda dufite amakuru yawe, aho dusubiza ngo ni meza. In English then we ask how are you, and then the response will be I'm fine thank you, and you. Cyongereza ho dusubiza tuvuga meze neza, ukashimira. That's the culture of English people, barashimira. Iyo maze kubasubiza bagushubije barashimira, ubundi bakaba banakubaza how you are also, bakaba wowe umeze ute. So in English, greetings are usually short and don't require a long answer, unlike in Rwanda, where greetings can last longer. In English, as an example, we can ask about family, work, etc. So angaha mu Cyongereza insuzanyo zaho ziba ari nto cyane, ziba ari ngufi. Iyo uri gusuhuza umuntu ntabwo bisaba ko umusubiza n'igisubizo kinini cyane. You can answer with a short answer. Ntabwo ari nko kimwe no mu Kinyarwanda, ushobora kuba nyuma y'ibyo umaze kuba wasubiza umushuhuje, ushobora kumubaza uko we ameze, ushobora kumubaza ku muryango, ushobora kumubaza ku bindi. That's how in English it is. So let us see some responses to those greetings that I've shown you there. So here we have how are you. How are you? Ahangaha gusubiza ushobora gusubiza I'm fine thank you, and you. Ni uburyo bwo gusubiza aho ngaho mu gihe ushuhuje umuntu. Amakuru meze neza I'm fine thank you, urakoze, naho wowe, and you. That's how we greet. Then we have also another greeting which is how is it going, how is it going, how is it going. Ubajije umuntu nawe uko biri kugenda, then that person will respond with the answer like it's going well. Akagusubiza ati bimeze neza, biri kugenda neza. How about you, how about you. Okay, ukaba kubajije ngo naho wowe, then ukaba wasubiza also now ushobora gusubiza uti oh it's going well also, nanjye biri kugenda neza. So tubona noneho yansuzumye kugeze kubona ya slang ya WhatsApp ushobora gusubiza ngo not much, nabirenze, not much, nabirenze. Cyangwa nothing much, nabyo ushobora kubikoresha kuvuga ngo nta kidasanzwe, nothing much. Ubundi ibindi ushobora kuwasubiza ni ukumubwira wenda amakuru y'uko bimeze. Yeah, you can also answer that. Hano ni ngabo kwashije ngo bimeze bite? Not much, just relaxing. Nabirenze ndimo ndiruhukira. That's it. So nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Also nayo iyo tugiye gusubiza dusubiza tuvuga ngo nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. It's nice to meet you too. I want you to repeat that one again. Nice to meet you too. Okay, let us see now some more introductions. The way you introduce yourself to others. Uburyo ushobora kwibwira abandi bantu mu gihe ushaka kwivuga. Ahangaha iyo ugiye kwivuga mu buryo bwihuse kandi bwiza nuko usuhuza abantu ukavuga izina ryawe ukavuga aho uturuka ukongera handi makuru niba hari. You greet people, you say your name, you tell people where you are from, and add another extra information if they are needed or if they are necessary. For example, here we have some examples. The first example is, hello, my name is Isaac, I'm from Kigali, I am a teacher. That's the first introduction. Then another introduction is, hi, I am Sala, I live in Rwanda, I study at university. Ahambere urugero rwa mbere twatubonye ni muraho nitwa Isaac, nuruka muri Kigali ndi umwarimu. That's it. So another second example that I've given you is, hi, I'm Sala, I live in Rwanda and I study at university. Muraho ni Sala, nuye mu Rwanda, niga muri university. Another example we have, it's good morning, my name is John, I work as a doctor. Mwaramutse neza, nitwa John, nkora nk'umu doctor. That's a simple introduction, but which is real good. So let us see how you introduce others. For example, maybe with someone and you want to introduce this person to their group or other people. So how will you do that? So this is how you can say, this is my friend Paul. Paul. That's the best way to introduce your friend to others. This is my friend Paul. Paul. Meet my sister Melly. Hey, mugihe uhuye n'abantu ushaka kubereka sister wawe ushobora kuba wababwira uti meet my sister Melly. Bondi bakawa musuzo, oh hello Melly. That's how they start conversations. You get? So all you can say, let me introduce you to my colleague James. Lekamba bwire. Okay, I'm not sure how I'm gonna say this in Rwanda. Okay, nguvuga ngo reka nze mbabwire inshuti yanjye James. Okay, yeah, reka mbereke inshuti yanjye James. That's the best way I think that we can speak that sentence in Rwanda. So in English, when introducing others, shake hands. This is a formal way, and just smile and say hello. So iyo uri kuba wakwintroducing abandi bantu cyangwa se uri kuba wakwibwira abandi bantu, make sure you greet people mu buryo buri formal, you shake their hands, right? After shaking their hands, you smile really well and also say hello. Like uri introducing abandi ukaba wabasuhuza, hello, let me introduce you to my colleague James. Okay, so that's how you do it. So we have also some polite expressions that we use in our daily life. Among of those polite expressions, we have praise. Used when asking politely, praise nayo ishobora gukoreshwa mu gihe uri kubaza ikintu icyo ari cyo cyose ariko mu buryo bwiyubashye. Tukagira iyo twita thank you cyangwa thanks. Iyi nayo ni some expression that is used when someone helps or gives you something. That's when you say, oh thanks, or you say thank you. As an example, we have thanks for your time. Ahangaha thank you cyangwa thanks koreshwa mu gihe uri gushimira umuntu mu gihe ari ikintu agukoreye cyangwa se mu gihe aguhaye ikintu runaka. Urugero hano dufite thanks for your time, urakoze bw'igihe cyawe. Tukagira you are welcome, you're welcome nayo ni response dusubiza iyo umuntu akubwiye ngo thank you. When somebody tells you thank you, you have to respond with you are welcome. Even if there are some different expressions that you can say when somebody tells you thank you, but you are welcome is one of those expressions. So you're welcome ni imwe muri izo expressions, ariko hari izindi expressions ushobora gukoresha, urugero nka my pleasure nayo ushobora kuba wayikoresha mu gihe umuntu akubwiye ngo thank you, ushobora gusubiza umuntu my pleasure, cyangwa se anytime cyangwa don't mention it. All of those expressions, they can be used when you are trying to say to give a response to someone who told you thank you. So iyindi tugira yindi expression dufite ni excuse me. So iyi nayo ushobora kuba wayikoresha. This one is used when you want to get attention or pass by. Urugero ushaka gusaba uburenganzira cyangwa ushaka kugira attention y'abantu ugiye kugira message baha, ushobora kuba wayikoresha. cyangwa se ushaka kubacaho wenda ushaka kubimanyura ariko bari mu nzira ushobora kuvuga excuse me or then you pass by them. Nubwo buryo nabwo ishobora kuba yakoreshwa this expression excuse me. Again, here we have another expression which is sorry. Nayo ni expression zishobora gukoreshwa when you make a mistake. You ukoze ikosa then you want to excuse for people about that mistake. Ushaka kubwira abantu noneho kuri iryo kosa ukoze, you can tell them sorry. Urugero, sorry, I am late. Mbale nakererewe. That's example that you can use there. So here we have example of a dialogue where we use those greetings that we've studied today. We have good morning, how are you today? I want you to be repeating those dialogues as I lead you also read them. Uko nsoma ndashaka kugira ngo nawe ugerageze gusoma kugira ngo umenyere gusoma. Ahangaha dufite dialogue 1 ikiganiro kimwe cya mbere ariko mu buryo buri formal mu gihe turi gusuhuza abantu mu buryo buri formal mu buryo bwiyubashye. Let's get started. Shaka kusoma na ugasubiramo. We have good morning, how are you today? Good morning, how are you today? Mwaramutse. Umeze mute uyu munsi? Good morning, I'm fine. Thank you. And you? Mwaramutse, meze neza, urakoze. Mwebwe? Also, we have another greeting here which is it's another response. You can say I'm doing well. Mu gihe yakubajije umeze ute wowe, can answer I'm doing well. My name is Alice. My name is Alice. Nice to meet you, Alice. I'm Peter. Hano yaramubwiye ati meze neza nitwa Alice. Nawe atamusubiza ati nice to meet you, Alice. Byiza guhura nawe, Alice. Nde ni Peter. Nuko ubwo Alice nawe yahise amusubiza ati nice to meet you too. Byiza guhura nanjye nawe. That's it. So let's go to the next dialogue, which is informal dialogue. This is where we can say, hey, what's up? Hey, bite umeze mute? Hey, bite bimeze bite? That's the best way to explain this one. Noneho akamusubiza ati not much, just chilling. How about you? Yambwira ati nta kibazo njye ni guchillinga biraho ni ibintu biraho. Okay, how about you? Then akamusubiza ati same here. Naha niko bimeze. Naha nuko bimeze. By the way, I am Mike. Aho ngano ati ariko nitwa Mike. So there is a way like this by the way it is used when you are going to speak something which is different from what you are talking about. This ijambo by the way rikoreshwa iyo ugiye kuvuga ikindi kintu gitandukanye n'ibyo mwarimo. There is a point that you were talking about, there is something that there is this conversation you were having, but you're going to speak something that is different from that conversation. That's when you can include this by the way, then you move on the next point. Igihe muri kuganira ku bintu runaka ariko ushaka kujya ku yindi point, so ushobora kuba no wavukoresha ino by the way, then you move on the next point, on the next conversation. So another thing here we have is hi Mike. Hi Mike, I am Jan. Mnaho neza Mike, nitwa Jan. Nice to meet you. Nishimiye guhura namu. Nice to meet you too. Byiza guhura nanjye namu. So I hope you got it well and you've been able to lead them very well. So let us do these practice exercises that I want you to do. Fill in the blanks. I want you to fill in the blanks. So you have morning. How are you? What do you think will be put? What do you think that will put here? It's good. Good morning. How are you? That's it. So here we have hi. My name is dash dash. What's your name? Okay. So there you have to add your name. You have to put there your name, and that's all. Another practice we have is nice to dash dash you. What should we add there? It's meet. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And then we have this is my dash dash. His name is John. You can add here my friend, this my colleague. So you can add there anything you want. So otherwise, it's friend, colleague, then my name is his name is John. It's not you any John. So collect the mistakes here. And here we have my name is Paul. I live in Rwanda. So nashaka gukosora amakosa ngaha. Urakosora amakosa yaba kuri kubyo twizejo, harimo punctuations, harimo capitalizations. I want you to collect every mistake that you see that is in this sentence. That's why we collected it in this way, where we start the sentence with a capital letter. My name is, then with the name that is proper name for someone, we have to put there also capital letter on that name, which is Paul, and we are there full stop, because that's one sentence and we have another sentence which is I live in Rwanda. So we have to say my name is Paul, I live in Rwanda. That's it. Okay, thank you. So let us also see some pronunciation tips on these greetings when we are leading them. Instead of that, we say good morning, not good. Good morning, good morning, not good. We say good morning, good morning, not say good morning. Say good morning. Okay, one is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Now go to someone nice to meet you. I'll be saying someone is a nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. That's the way you have to pronounce it. It's well. Now go to nice to meet you. Neza like that. We say nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. That's the best way. If you want to sound like another speaker, that's the best way you should be pronouncing it. Okay, here we have also WhatsApp. WhatsApp. So we say WhatsApp. You don't say WhatsApp. It's like WhatsApp. 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 In the casual speech, we say WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Not WhatsApp. 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 Nice to meet you. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Good morning. Okay, that's the best way to pronounce those words. Okay, I hope this lesson was really helpful. Before we go to the next module, I hope you really learned a lot from these foundations of English from this first module. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you learned a lot. This is always a very module. So there are different greetings that you will find in different presses. So whenever you meet any greetings that you don't know, please let me know. Then I will help you to understand this more. So inobona insuzanyo utazi ukabona ntabwo uyizi ngwino uyimbaze kugira ngo nyigusobanurire neza kugira ngo ubashe kuba wayimenya. Niba ubona ari insuzanyo hano tugeze twandikamo hano, please type it in a comment cyangwa uze kuzandika muri groupe twigiramo, then I will be happy to explain for you that greeting. So thank you so much. Let's meet in the next lesson. Bye.